You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on A/B testing. With A/B testing, also known as split testing, you can compare two versions of a project in order to see which one performs better. This is done by randomly showing one version, A, to a group of users and the other version, B, to another group of users. Then, you get to analyze the results of the split test to see which version had a higher completion rate. Once your test is running, you can track and analyze visits, starts, leads, submissions, completion rate, and average duration. Let's take a look at how you can actually set up an A/B test within Involve Me. To conduct an A/B test, you first need to choose a project which you will be testing, and then the changes that you want to test. For this demonstration, I will be working with the Find My Payment Plan quiz for software template, which is an interactive B2B lead generation and product recommendation funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the arrow button on the project and then move to duplicate project. And then I need to make the changes that I want to make for my B version of the project. So my assumption here is that changing, for example, the button color might change how the users interact with the project. So I would, for example, want to change the color of this element to red. So that is the change that I will make for my B version. Of course, you can make this whatever you'd like it to be. And here we really recommend to have your base project done, then duplicate it, and then make your change. So this way you don't have to create the same project twice. So then I'm going to head over to the Configure tab and change the project name. I'm going to name this B, and then hit Publish. And now I want to compare the two versions I created to see which one will perform better in regards to lead generation. So to do that, in the top navigation bar, I will click on A/B tests and create my first A/B test. So lead generation test for my interactive lead funnel, and I will click Create. And then I will select my project A, it is right here. And then my project B, it is right here. What I can also do is edit settings. And here I have, once again, the A/B test name, the A/B test domain. With the domains, you can of course select the included domain, generic domains, or a custom domain, which I can manage. Here I can connect a custom domain as well. And then finally, I have the A/B test URL. So essentially, you could have the A/B test either as a URL or embedded on your website. Finally, you have the option to show the same project upon refreshing during the same session. This means that even if your participant would refresh the page, they would still get the same version and their version wouldn't change on them midway through completing the interactive lead funnel. Once your test is ready, you can start the A/B test. And here you get a notification that your traffic will be split 50-50 for the URL between the projects. And of course, at any time, you can select a winner and end the test. And after that, the winning project will be displayed to all users from there on out. And now my test has been made live. So once you click on Share Your A/B Test, you can see that you're taken to a screen which looks very similar to the Share and Embed page. However, it clearly is a different page. From here, you can share your interactive lead funnel or embed it on a web page, just like you would with a regular project. This allows you to share the test that you just created, because if you would just share it through the regular Share and Embed page, you'll just be sharing that one project. So you will essentially not be making use of the A/B test that you just set up. So please make sure to share it from this very page. So if I click on the URL, this would be the A version because you can see that the button is black. So now I'm going to click through the interactive lead funnel once, and I've completed it the first time. Then, if I click on the link again, you can see that now the B version has been opened because the button is red. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm now going to exit the page without completing the interactive lead funnel, and I am going to take the test one more time. I will complete it fully now again, and then for the sake of keeping things balanced, I will load it one more time to have 2 submissions on each end. And so I've completed the project 4 times. And then here you can see the difference. Project A had 3 visits, 2 starts, 2 leads, 2 submissions, and a completion rate of 100%. Project B had 2 visits, 2 starts, 1 lead, and 1 submission, with a 50% completion rate. And then you can also compare the average duration. Before you decide on your winner, you can also click on the project, which will take you to the analytics page, and here you can take a detailed look at the analysis of both the A and the B projects. And as you can see, Project A has been marked as the winner, and if I click on A/B tests again, you can see that this now is a completed A/B test. And just like that, you now know how to A/B test using Involve Me and drive higher conversions through your interactive lead funnels. In case you have any more questions or need more support, you can go to help.involve.me or contact our support team directly. And good luck getting involved!